Morning students. Today we are going to see about the electron structure. So many students having doubt how to draw the structure, electron structure for the compounds, carbon compounds. So just I draw for the what is electron structure first. Instead of bonds, for making a single bond, we need two electrons. For making a double bond, we need four electrons. For making a triple bond, we need how many electrons? We need six electrons. We need six electrons. So first of all, is about the methane. How we are going to draw the electron structure for methane? What is the formula for methane? For methane is CH4. CH4 is methane. It is called as methane. So first of all, draw like this. If you are writing the exam paper, you can write in the rough column. After that, you can it is a fair copy. C H H H H. So this is in the bond formations. Now, how we are going to draw the electron structure? See, take these bonds. Instead of bonds, put cross for so totally carbon has four electrons in the outermost orbits, and hydrogen has one electron in the outermost orbits. One. So now satisfy the valencies of the carbon. So here, see here, this hydrogen has two electrons satisfied. This hydrogen has two electrons satisfied. This side hydrogen has two electrons satisfied. This Saturn has two hydrogen satisfied. Now carbon the case 8 electrons. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this could all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So carbon. So this is under the covalent bond formation and a sharing of electrons. So carbon valency is also satisfied, hydrogen valency is also satisfied. I just only want to draw the electron dot structures. Okay. So now I draw for hydrogen. I draw for hydrogen. Hydrogen simple again. Hydrogen. Single bond. So one, one. Two atoms are satisfied. Two atoms are satisfied here. Hydrogen. You can draw for chlorine. Cl to chlorine. Cl to chlorine. Chlorine outermost atomic confidence is 2, 8, 7. So outermost orbit contains 7 electrons. Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the case one electron and that kind of the case one electrons. Totally it is two electrons. It is two electrons. Okay. The case two electrons. Okay. So these two electrons are joining here. Now we can draw like this. This chlorine 8 electrons and this chlorine 8 electrons. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7, 8. So 8 electrons is completed. Okay. Okay. Understand this? Now similarly we can draw it for the you can draw it for what do you want any you can draw it for oxygen also oxygen O2. So what to the O? So outermost of the atomic number of oxygen is what? 6. 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. Such atomic number of oxygen is sorry 8. 8 2 comma 6. 2 comma 6. 2 comma 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it requires two electrons. This two electrons is shared by this this electrons. This will be sharing there. So by drawing the electron structure, you can draw like this. So this oxidation, like this only. When you draw the electron structure, last mass of this one. Okay. So two this is the bond form a double bonds. So O double bond O. Here is the electron dot structures. So similarly, you can draw electron dot structure for acetic acid. C. What is the formula for acetic acid? CH3 COOH. CH3 COOH formula is acetic acid. So C H H H C okay O O H. So I can, instead of bonds, I can draw cross like this. Then here cross, cross, here cross, cross, dot. Here one cross, one dot. Here one dot, one dot. Now you can satisfy the dimensions of hydrogen here. You can get this balance of carbon here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Totally you want 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times the first here. So it is 4 atoms. For this carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4 is there, no? Oil is oil here. See here double bond. See here 2. 2, give up. 2 plus 4 to 8. Totally 8 will be there. Including this also 8 will be there. So here one oxygen will be there, no nitrogen will be there. I just want to draw the electron dot structures for ethanoic gases. Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, so like this, first of all, you want to draw the structure of the atom, putting the bond, and then we can go for the dot or cross. Use always dot and cross. Okay, it is very useful. For one element dot, so another element you can use cross. Otherwise, you'll be, if you use both any for both cross or dots, you'll be get confused. So always use dot and cross. For one dot and one cross. You take carbon, use wherever carbon is there, use only cross. Take hydrogen, use dot. Then only it is useful for drawing the atomic configuration diagrams. Okay, students, thank you.